Welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's me, Ivan at Haire, Uganda. And today I'm going to show you how some people in my village clean their teeth without a toothbrush and without toothpaste. Well, I'm currently under a big mango tree, and this big mango tree is right in front my grandmother's house. Well, I'm going to show you these some of my pieces. These are some of the sticks or some of the plants my people use in the village. One is a guava, then two are these plants in the Lantana Camara family. As you can see, there are two different plants, but they look similar. You can see the flowers, they have different colors. One is purple, another one I'll say is red. That is it, but they're different. The difference is this one has thorns and this one doesn't have thorns. Well, you can also see the plants, the fruits. The fruits are similar. Well, the arrangement and organization is also different. These ones are like this, and these ones have hair-like structures, but they're of the same family. You can tell they're of the same family. The fruits look the same. When they are ripe, these ones turn to purple and these ones turn to black when they are ripe, just like grapes. So the thing is, you can't use this whole branch to brush your teeth. That means you have to cut a piece that will fit into your mouth, and that's what I'm going to do. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Let me start with this guava. This is my panga, so I'm going to cut a sizable one, and that is it. Leave it. This is number 2, and well, this is number 3. So we have cut our things. These are the sticks. This one is a guava. This one is Lantana Camara. This one, the one with thorns, and you can clearly see that it has thorns on it. These are the thorns. And there is this one. The purple one is this one. Well, the unique thing with the purple one, it has a nice scent, and this one has a sour scent, and that means when you this one has a sour scent. When you put it in the mouth, okay, it's kinda sour. It's not sweet like this one, because this one, the fruits to this one, even kids here in the village like eating them because they are good. They smell good. When they turn to purple, kids like eating these things. Even me, if I found it, because you will find a bunch of it and they are ripe, it is easy to get it and throw it into the mouth because it is sweet. It has a sweet smell. And these ones, it's hard. Even the raw ones, you can't put them in the mouth because they are sour. So that's the reason maybe this one is liked, the one with purple leaves. So the next step is I'm going to remove this outer skin halfway, such that we can I'm removing the outer skin. Of course, we all can guess the taste of the outer skin. It is soft and we want this hard part. So the next step is I will cut this. If not cutting it, I will just bite it till it becomes soft as hair, or as the hairs on the brush. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to bite it like this. And I think it's there. With time, remember, we are going to keep it. We are going to keep this stick. And people here normally get like at least 5 different sticks. They will have a guava stick, they will have a lantana camara stick, they will have the other different sticks. They're about 10 kinds, or even as many as 20, as long as you can withstand the sourness or the sweetness of the stick. So for me, I like sweet things. I will not go for sour things. Well, some people in the village will choose sour things, and for me, I like this one. You can see where I am. This is the length I've wanted. So you just hold it like this. We assume it is already done, and just hold it like this. Remember, people in the village don't usually get access to sweet things like cakes, sweet things like sugar, and the sugar they take in their tea, at times they just boil sugar canes, then get out that water and then drink that as tea. At times they don't take, they just take water and eat food, mostly leftover foods, then call it a morning. They will have to prepare a lunch, then supper, just like that. That's how life moves. There is no things of breakfast, sugar, what and what. Yes, they will have tea leaves, but tea is not their thing. It's for the people in urban areas and developed countries. Well, this is how you hold your toothbrush. Of course, we call it the toothbrush right now. This is how you hold it. Then bring it onto the teeth. You make sure you open your mouth and then start cleaning the teeth this way, in this shape, in this movement. You could choose moving it in the round shape like those with toothbrushes, because we move the toothbrush in the round form. You can also choose to move this one in the round form like this. That way you are cleaning your teeth. Then you may be having a cup of water to rinse the dirt that has come off the teeth and the broken particles of this toothbrush. Yes, you'll put water and rinse, then clean again, do the same. We assume these people don't eat sweet things. It's because sweet things are the ones that spoil our bigger teeth. These bigger, these bigger teeth are always decayed by sweet things, because when you eat sweet things and keep quiet, all don't brush there and then, the germs will stay there. Also, these are toothbrushes, the modern ones, they don't clean deep inside there, because most people do like this do clean their teeth like they are making a straight line like this, meaning they are just pushing the food particles deeper and deeper, which means it will be easy for the germs to hide into the food particles, and then as they are feeding on the food particles, remember these germs be releasing acids to burn down this food such that they can eat them, and it is these acids that spoil the teeth. Well, this one will not allow you, or it's like a toothpick. A person who uses a toothpick is better than a person who is going to use a toothbrush, because a toothbrush leaves everything in between the teeth, but a toothpick will try to remove everything. So this one is also more like a toothpick. So after using it, you advise to use a toothpick. So let me show you. This is how they do. In a round shape like this. And normally people do it while they are going to journeys, like while they are in the feeder roads. The feeder roads are the ones that lead us to the main roads. So one has time, and mostly, like, look at this. Our distance from the main road, ours is roughly 3 kilometers. So if you start brushing your teeth in those 3 kilometers, by the time you reach the main road, we assume that your teeth are clean, and the time you spend there is about 20 to 25 minutes. So you're cleaning your teeth for 25 minutes, and it's normal. In the village, you'll find someone moving, as you're moving in these feeder roads, you'll find someone with a stick in their mouth like this, because they pause to let you pass so that they can go on cleaning their teeth, because it's not right to clean your teeth before people. So they will stop or get it out of the mouth and say good morning to you, because it is very normal for village people to greet others, then to greet fellow people, because they usually see them, and it is them when they alarm, just in case of a problem, they will come and rescue them. So This is the reason I'm saying you should clean your teeth for about 20 to 25 minutes, the time we used to walk from the home to the main road. So that is the time you too should clean your teeth from. So after, remember when you clean the teeth, the dirtiest part of the mouth is always the tongue. So they will get this very stick and clean the tongue this way. That's how they'll clean the tongue. And most of these feeder roads, in most of the feeder roads, there are water sources. It's either a swamp or a stream. So they'll go get that water and then rinse their mouth and then spit it out. Even you who is using a modern toothbrush, cleaning your teeth or brushing your teeth and fail to clean the tongue, you have done nothing, because the tongue is the dirtiest part of the mouth. Always clean it. So it's this part that uses that it is this very toothbrush that cleans the tongue, like I've showed you. So you'll clean the tongue like for about 5 minutes. That's the reason I'm saying 20 to 25. So the 20 is for cleaning the teeth, the 5 is for cleaning the tongue. If you've used 17 minutes, at least you do other 5 minutes, that is up to 22 cleaning the mouth, sorry, the tongue. After cleaning the tongue, you're set and you're good to go. You smell fresh, because it's rare to find a person with a bad odor from their mouth in the villages, because they don't take sweet things. They don't clean they clean their teeth with these sticks and give it time. Not like us in the towns. People clean their teeth for about a minute and they call it again. They will just clean here on the front teeth, no cleaning the tongue, no cleaning what, and they run away. They think they have done everything. So that's how I've showed you, and the same procedure here is the same procedure with these other ones. Well, I don't prefer this one with thorns, because first, harvesting it is a problem. Of course, as I was harvesting it, excuse me, I got some piercings from these thorns, and this one I give it a no. For this one, it's a guava stick. It's always clean. It's always hard, and yes, it will be easy to store. So it is also hard to bite and make like this one. So you will give it time to bite it, and it's these ones that you will keep and have, let me say, for home use or what. But these ones, as you're moving on the way, these ones are the easiest, the ones with scents. There are many others that you can use. Well, this is all I had to show you, and I want to thank you for keeping on the channel. Please subscribe, also share this information. Let those people that have never seen this see how this is done. You may be having any other way you do this. Please let me know down in the comment section, because there are those that put ash on these ones. Yes, they go to the kitchen and collect that ash. They put the ash and rinse their teeth, because the ash cleans the teeth and leaves them very white. Even you who is using a modern toothbrush, you can get that ash and clean your teeth. So I've wanted to show you everything, and because everything was available, I've got my charcoal. This is my charcoal, and then I've brought some ash. So I wanted to show you how you can clean using the ash. So you make sure there is no soil, no hard particles. It is purely ash. So this is my ash. Excuse me. This is my ash. I'll get and put here like this. Then get this, my toothbrush. Then dip it into like this. Remember, it has hairs. When you dip it like this, it will pick some, and it has picked some. So you bring this very one and clean your teeth in a round form, this way. Of course, I've already done that. I just wanted to show you, and you do that continuously. This ash alone will let you not swallow it, will let you use your tongue this way to collect it from wherever it has got stuck. Then during that process, you're also cleaning your teeth with this ash, which is already on the tongue. So it is three things. It is the tongue, in the middle there is the ash, cleaning the teeth. That way it's done. So I wanted to also show you. So after you get your glass and spit out the dirt. So the other thing I'm going to show you is the charcoal. This is the charcoal. So you make sure you get a good shape of the charcoal. I haven't gotten one because it would bruise my teeth. So this, I'm going to use this part here. So you hold the charcoal like this. You can choose to hold the charcoal, use the charcoal first, then use this toothbrush last to remove the black things, the black particles that will have remained in the teeth. So this is how you get it. This way, where is my, this is the part I want to use, and do it in a round form, not this way, because when you do it this way you will hurt the gums. I wouldn't want you to hurt your gums, and if you brush your teeth every day and hurt your gums, then you will be losing out. You will not want to brush your teeth anymore, because that's why I want you to do it extra carefully in a round way, this way. You have to give it time. Don't be like me. For me, I'm just illustrating. I'll do it off camera, or I've already done it. So that's how you do. After you get your water, and this one, and spit out. So when you spit out, we assume that your teeth are clean. If you're not very sure that your teeth are clean, you still get this one and continue. The process will keep on like that. Even after every meal, you're free to do this, because here in the village, when you finish eating, it's either you're going for evening garden, or you're going to this evening to towns for an evening walk, or to chill with friends. So you can't go to friends with particles on your teeth. You can't go to friends with an odorless mouth, you know. So you need to go with an odorless mouth. So you clean your teeth that way and get to wherever you are going clean and safe. Thank you for watching. It's been me, Ivan Atwaire. This is my channel, Ivan Atwaire Uganda. I urge you to subscribe to my channel. Drop a like for this video. You can also drop a comment and tell me which one of these ones would you prefer, or which one have you ever used, and what are you using currently. Also, do you brush your teeth regularly or after a meal? If you do, please let me know in the comment section. Share with family and friends. Let the fun go on. I thank you. Bye bye.